KLM 777 pulling up to gate F5 here at Atlanta Hartsfield International. Coming in from Amsterdam, and then of course turning around going back to Amsterdam. Oh yeah, look at this beautiful KLM Boeing 777. Oh yeah. Wow, these things never fail to impress me. Look at that beautiful bird. Look at that gorgeous bird. Wow. Oh, it just blows my mind every time I see a 777 pull up. I'll be on it here in about 2 hours, going out at 10:40 tonight. Angie's over there on the other side. I just ran over here to get a better entry angle as the plane pull up. So we'll do the turnaround here, and we'll probably board in about an hour, then we'll go out at 10:40, about 2 hours from now. Yes, we will see everybody on board here soon.